Manila, President. Yung mga present po is yung mga President po sa District 4 at Area President po. Completed naman po sila. Then ang kanilang naging agenda is number 1, National Anniversary. Number 2, Area Calendar of Activities for 2025. Number 3, Proposed Template for District 4 Directory. Number 4, Other Matters. Letter A, 60 individual members contribution per year. Letter B, Monoblocks donations for District 4 Mother Center. Letter C, improvement of comfort room at Mother Center. Presiding Officer, President Mario Estepa. Opening prayer by Hermano Ramon Canor. Business proper, summary of discussion. Number 1, dun sa National Anniversary. Letter A, FYS Chor Uniform. 35,000 plus 65,000. Yung 35,000 po cost of primary uniform to be shouldered by district fund. 6,500 cost of additional uniform to be shouldered by the choir member. Then total of 41,510 minus 5,000 from FYS fund equals 36,510 minus 6,500 from choir member, total of 30,510 to be shouldered by District 4 fund. Next po is may note po na District 4 will finalize the schedule of activities for 2025 as basis of area committee in the preparation of their calendar of activities. Instead of conducting monthly meeting in March in Baguio, it was suggested that it is better to do it in the region or Mother Center. It was also suggested that instead of monthly, the conduct of regular meeting will be done once every 4 weeks, every 2 months, to provide also time for the local and area to conduct equally important matters. Vice President Tolentino suggested that GAC will be done, GAC will be done in the different area instead of doing it regularly at the Mother Center. In the conduct of GAC, the following were suggested. Number 1, only local, area, and district officers are required to attend. Number 2, remove activities such as singing contest and other contested activities to provide couple time in the conduct of meeting and lectures for spiritual growth of members like lecture or mediumship, evangelism, etc. Each district officer is encouraged to make a proposal on activities to be done during GAC, Spiritist Day, and Christmas program to avoid duplication of activities for each major event. Number 3, proposed templates of District 4 Directory. Secretary Helen Asho presented the template outline of the District of Directory in order to have a lifetime guide on District 4 registered centers and members. As agreed, all uniforms to be used in the competition in National Anniversary will be returned to the District 4, except the additional uniform amounting to 3,500, which will sit shouldered by their choir member. B. FYS choir members transportation KKB per area or area, sabi naman po. C. FYS choir members foods during last practice KKB or area. D. FYS choir members foods in Tarlac 40 members at 50 pesos per meal at 6. So times 6 po sila, 30 times 300 times 40 equals 12,000 divided by 5 area po. So 12,000 divided by area equals 2,400. Then to include snacks, ang ginawa na lang po nila, binuo na lang pong 3,000 per area for the foods. Yun po yung contribution. Travel time, February 14, 5 p.m., departure from Isabela. Meeting place, Director's Place, Santiago. Buena Vista, Santiago City. Then February 15, in Tarlac, prepare or bring barong attire